Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to Jumia's channel. Today's video is a second video on the series of what does fussy hair means. In today's video, we're going to go back to the basics. We're going to talk about the process that all of us have to go through, no matter what type 4 hair you have. We're going to be talking about hair wash day. Hair wash day comprises of shampooing and conditioning our hair. It's not something new to us, it's what we do. But this can contribute to the reason why our hair is not doing well if we do not do it right. This video is not about you going out there to go buy products. Far from it. You can use the product that you already have in your hand right now, but you just have to figure out, you just have to know how to use it in a way that it's gonna work for your hair. I'm not trying to sell you anything. What I want to talk about is the process of us doing our hair, not the products that we use. There's minimum of 2 steps that we do when we wash our hair, which is shampooing and conditioning. Do we need to add any step to it? Maybe, maybe not. You're gonna have to figure out if your hair require you to add additional steps to it. What are these additional steps? If you have a dry hair, you might want to add pre-poo step, which is gonna be the first step that you do before you even wash your hair. After shampooing, you might want to add the step where you use apple cider vinegar rinse on your hair. It might be beneficial to your hair if you go from 2 steps to 4 steps, going from shampoo and conditioner to pre-poo, shampooing, vinegar rinse, and conditioning your hair. If you look around the internet, actually I have a video on that where I show you how I pre-poo my hair. Whenever I added pre-poo to my hair wash day, it's always a better result for me. I'm going to leave some videos down below for you to watch if you're interested. If not, there's a lot of other video here on YouTube that you can search to learn more. So the first step is you do pre-poo. After the pre-poo, you move on to shampooing. When you wash your hair, clean your scalp, clean your hair strands, not to strip your hair strands. There's going to be some times that you might want to clean all the buildups from your hair strands. For your regular wash, you should not be using stripping shampoo. Rather, you should be using conditioning shampoo. Or co-washing your hair in between washes. So let's say you wash your hair once a week, but you really do need to wash your hair in between. You might want to use co-wash in between. Co-washing does not necessarily last to mean you buying a co-washing product. You can mix half shampoo and half conditioner together to make a co-wash. During shampooing our hair, using warm water between your shampooing and your conditioning. If you decided to use apple cider vinegar rinse, this will be the time that you do it. For me, I know that pH that affects my hair. This does not apply to all the hair, which is one of the reasons why when I'm talking to you about that, I'm actually mentioning my own hair. Make sure that you have a good conditioner. Regular conditioners are the conditioner that you use to just relax your hair after the shampooing. Remember, shampoo open our cuticles and conditioner close our cuticles. And this is really important because if our cuticles are not closed, we're going to lose all the moisture that we bring to our hair during shampooing. Conditioner brings vitamins to our hair. Use cold water to do your last rinse. Why? Because this is really going to help shock your hair to close the cuticles. We can help this process of closing by using cold water as our last rinse. And then we can follow up with our leave-in conditioner, our hair cream, and style our hair, and that's pretty much it. This is the end of the video. I hope this video helped in any way. Let me know what your thoughts are, and if you have any question below, leave it on the comment section below and I will get back at you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.